Hi guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. I'm Kristen and this is Cora Sue's Cozy Castle. Today is a spring clean and decorate with me of my front porch. I was so excited to just get out here and just kind of clean things off and wipe down the furniture and just make it all nice and springy. I'm ready for spring. The weather here in Georgia has been horrible. It just keeps raining, so I'm putting a little of my own sunshine out there. If you are new, I would love for you to click that red subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you'll get all of my new uploaded videos. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope this video made you feel less lonely. If you feel like I do sometimes as a stay-at-home mom or for other circumstances. And I hope everyone out there has a blessed day. This is a very brief video, so I won't do much talking. All of my new decor will be linked down below, and any cleaning products will be linked down below. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Much love. Bye.
Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment, babe. Weeks and months and years they pass, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. Weeks and months and years they passed, but then I found something I knew would last. Just like my mama said, gradually fades away. All the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. That's what my mama said. That's what my mama said. I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I